Mastering the art of mixing, using a stand mixer. Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the culinary world and explore a very handy kitchen tool, the stand mixer. Understanding how to use this device not only enriches your vocabulary but also introduces you to a common topic in everyday conversations, especially for those who love baking and cooking. So, let's get started and learn all about using a stand mixer. A stand mixer is a powerful kitchen appliance used to mix, knead, or whip food ingredients together. Unlike hand mixers, stand mixers are stationary and come with a mixing bowl attached. They are particularly useful for mixing large quantities or dense doughs and batters. With various attachments and settings, stand mixers can perform a wide range of tasks, making them a versatile tool in the kitchen. Every stand mixer has several key parts. The base houses the motor and provides stability. The bowl, where you place your ingredients. The mixing attachment can be a paddle, whisk, or dough hook, depending on your mixing needs. Speed control allows you to adjust the mixing speed. Understanding these components is crucial for operating the mixer effectively. Using a stand mixer is quite straightforward. Here's a simple guide. 1. Attach the bowl. Securely place the bowl onto the base of the mixer. 2. Select and attach the mixing tool. Choose the paddle, whisk, or dough hook, and attach it to the mixer. 3. Add ingredients. Place your ingredients into the bowl. 4. Start mixing. Turn the mixer on and adjust the speed according to your recipe. 5. Monitor the process. Keep an eye on the mixing and scrape the sides of the bowl if necessary. 6. Turn off and detach. Once done, turn off the mixer, lower the mixing tool, and carefully remove the bowl. After using a stand mixer, proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep it in good condition. Always unplug the mixer before cleaning. Clean the attachments and bowl with warm, soapy water. Wipe down the mixer body with a damp cloth. Avoid immersing the mixer's motor base in water. And that's a wrap on using a stand mixer. We hope this guide helps you understand this fantastic kitchen tool and boosts your confidence in discussing and using it. Remember, practice makes perfect, both in language learning and in baking. So, don't hesitate to use your new vocabulary while experimenting with delicious recipes. Until next time, happy mixing and happy learning!